Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to reduce motion and parallax effect of icon in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and now click on accessibility. After clicking on accessibility, you can see the option of motion. Click on motion and now you can see the option reduce motion. Turn this button on, reduce motion button on. After turning it on, your parallax effect will be enabled. Reduce the motion of the user interface including the parallax effect of icon like this. So this is the way to reduce motion and parallax effect of icon in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.